The intersection of traditional finance and the burgeoning world of cryptocurrency presents both opportunities and challenges. Wise, a popular platform for international money transfers, occupies a unique position in this evolving landscape. This video will examine the relationship between Wise and cryptocurrency, specifically addressing the question of whether you can send crypto to Wise. Project context: Wise and the digital asset ecosystem. From a project management perspective, understanding how a financial service like Wise interacts with cryptocurrencies requires analyzing several key factors. Market analysis: assessing the growing adoption of cryptocurrencies and the demand for integrating them with existing financial systems. Risk assessment: evaluating the risks associated with cryptocurrency transactions, including volatility, security concerns, and regulatory uncertainty. Compliance and regulation: navigating the complex and evolving regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies in different jurisdictions. Strategic alignment: determining how cryptocurrency integration aligns with Wise's overall business strategy and target user base. Wise's stance on cryptocurrency. Wise facilitates the movement of traditional currencies across borders. It provides users with multi-currency accounts and enables them to send money to bank accounts internationally. The direct question: sending crypto to Wise. The core question we need to address is, can you directly send cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., to a Wise account? The direct answer: no, not directly. Currently, Wise does not allow you to directly send cryptocurrency to your Wise account. Wise's infrastructure is designed to handle fiat currencies, government-issued currencies, and their transfer to traditional bank accounts. It does not provide functionality for receiving or holding cryptocurrencies. Why this limitation? Several reasons contribute to Wise's current stance on direct cryptocurrency transfers. Regulatory complexity. The regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies is still evolving and varies significantly across different countries. Wise, as a regulated financial institution, must adhere to these varying and often stringent requirements, which adds complexity. Volatility and risk. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price volatility, which can pose risks to both users and the platform handling those assets. Wise's focus on providing stable and predictable international money transfers may conflict with the volatile nature of crypto. Security concerns. Cryptocurrency transactions, while often secure, can be susceptible to hacks and fraud. Wise prioritizes the security of its users' funds, and integrating crypto transactions would introduce additional security considerations. Core business focus. Wise's primary focus has been on streamlining international bank transfers and offering multi-currency accounts for traditional currencies. Integrating cryptocurrency functionality would require significant development resources and potentially shift the company's core focus. Lack of universal acceptance. While cryptocurrency adoption is growing, it is not yet universally accepted or integrated into the traditional financial system. Wise's services are geared towards facilitating transactions within the existing banking infrastructure. Indirect methods, workarounds. Although you cannot directly send cryptocurrency to Wise, there are indirect ways to convert crypto to fiat currency and then transfer it to your Wise account. Crypto exchange to bank, then bank to Wise. Sell your cryptocurrency on a cryptocurrency exchange, like Coinbase, Kraken, Binance. Withdraw the resulting fiat currency, e.g. USD, Euro, to your bank account. Transfer the fiat currency from your bank account to your Wise account. Visual representation of the indirect route. Here's a diagram illustrating the indirect process. Cryptocurrency exchange. Your bank account. Wise. Step-by-step example. Crypto to Wise via exchange and bank. Let's illustrate this with a step-by-step example. Step 1. Sell crypto on exchange. Log in to your cryptocurrency exchange account. Sell your cryptocurrency for your desired fiat currency. Initiate a withdrawal of the fiat currency to your linked bank account. Step 2. Transfer to Wise. Log in to your Wise account. Choose to add money to your Wise account. Select your bank account as the funding source. Enter the amount of fiat currency you want to transfer. Provide your bank account details. Confirm the transfer. Important considerations for indirect transfers. Exchange fees. Cryptocurrency exchanges typically charge fees for selling crypto and withdrawing fiat currency. Bank transfer fees. Your bank may also charge fees for the transfer to your Wise account. Transfer times. Both the cryptocurrency exchange withdrawal and the bank transfer to Wise will take time to process. Exchange withdrawals can vary, and bank transfers might take a few business days. Currency conversion. If you are converting from one fiat currency to another, e.g., converting euro from the exchange to USD in your Wise account, Wise will apply its currency conversion rates and fees. Volatility risk. During the time it takes to complete these transfers, the value of both your cryptocurrency, before selling, and the fiat currency, if converting, could fluctuate. Wise's potential future involvement with crypto. While Wise does not currently facilitate direct cryptocurrency transactions, the company's stance could evolve as the crypto landscape matures. Several factors could influence Wise to integrate crypto functionality in the future. Increased regulatory clarity. As governments worldwide establish clearer regulatory frameworks for cryptocurrencies, it could become easier for financial institutions like Wise to incorporate crypto services. Growing mainstream adoption. If cryptocurrency adoption continues to increase and becomes more integrated into everyday transactions, Wise may need to adapt to meet customer demand. Technological advancements. New technologies could emerge that make it easier and more secure to handle cryptocurrency transactions within a platform like Wise. Competitive landscape. If other financial institutions begin offering seamless crypto integration, Wise may need to follow suit to remain competitive. Current alternatives. Services that bridge the gap. While Wise doesn't offer direct crypto transfers, some services are emerging to bridge the gap. Crypto-friendly banks. Some banks now offer accounts that allow you to hold both fiat currency and cryptocurrencies, potentially simplifying the process of converting between the two. Fintech platforms. Certain fintech companies are developing platforms that aim to integrate cryptocurrency transactions with traditional banking services, though these are still evolving. Indirect transfers. For now, you cannot currently send cryptocurrency directly to a Wise account. However, you can use a cryptocurrency exchange to convert your crypto to fiat currency and then transfer that fiat currency to Wise via a bank transfer. While this process involves additional steps, fees, and transfer times, it provides a workaround for moving funds between the crypto and traditional financial systems. The relationship between Wise and cryptocurrency may change in the future as regulations become clearer and the technology matures.